welcome to my wife.
Our ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, half canola oil, half cup, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour. This one is I mixed together already. Half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 eggs. Okay.
Help.
I'll help you. Okay. Here's your banana. Smash like that. Good job. Very good. That's my baby. Here you go. So we need 3 ripe bananas for your banana bread. No, don't put it yet. You have to mash it properly. Wait, don't put yet the peanuts. You have to smash first the bananas, baby. Yes, there you go. Can you please use your right hand, love? Mommy will help you. Ooh, wow. You see that? Uh-oh. Very good. You want to stand up, anak ko? You want to stand up?
This.
Yeah, that's bananas. We also put a half cup of vanilla. That's optional. We will put vanilla. So Jacob wants to put now the oil. Wow, you're doing good, baby. Good job. There you go. Wait, mommy will help you. Ooh. And how about you want to mix together?
Mix together. Yeah.
Wow, you want to put all together now.
Which mix?
Yeah, you mix it together, okay? Wow, you're doing very good.
Use this one.
Oh, you want to use this? Wow, good job. You want to crack your eggs now?
Crack the eggs.
Okay, you crack your eggs now. You can put your eggs now. Okay. Just put it inside. Oh no. It's not yet cooked. You will eat later, okay? Almost ready. Wow, wait, mommy will help you to mix. Wow, it's really yum yum. Are you excited for your banana bread? Ooh. Mix together, please, properly. You want to stand up?
Look at this eggs.
I guess it's better if you stand up enough.
Make some bread.
Yeah, it's really tasty.
Is it delicious?
Yes, it is. It's delicious.
You make this egg and then another egg.
Mommy will preheat the oven. There you go. Okay, mix together. You have to mix it together, my love. It's a cashew nuts. Good job.
Which was the eggs?
Oh, we already put eggs, remember? What are we making?
Making the eggs.
No, what bread? What kind? It's a
Banana bread.
banana bread. Good job. You like it? Do you like banana bread? Wow, awesome. Can you sing the I love you song?
I love you.
Mm-hmm.
You love me too.
I love you. You love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and kiss from me to you. Oh, you say you love me too. Okay, kiss it, Jen. Mommy will put. No, mommy will do it. Hold this one. Hold the container. The pan. Bread pan. Smells good. No chocolate chips, but that's okay. Don't eat. It's not yet ready to eat, my loaves. Nuts is better than chocolate chips. We're gonna have some later when the wake up, right? Now we have snacky. A banana bread.
Not banana.
Yeah.
Let's eat them.
Yes, later, baby. We have to put first in the oven.
No, no.
Yeah.
No, no.
Yes, we have to. Come on.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Mwah.